Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Role of agriculture. Agriculture plays a vital role in economy. Some of its significant roles are source of employment. In rural area, agriculture is the main source of generating employment opportunities. As per 1991 census, it provided employment to about 67% of total population. In 2004-5, it came down to 54%. In countries like UK, USA, less than 3% population are engaged in agriculture. Source of national income. Agricultural sector contributed 80% of GDP in 2006-7. A significant portion of revenue comes from agriculture. India is primarily an agriculture dependent country. In countries like UK, USA, Japan, agriculture contributes to less than 5%. Development of industries. Agriculture has big role in development of industries, especially the agro-based industries such as textiles, sugar, tea, etc. Many other industries also depend on agriculture for their inputs. International trade. In countries, foreign trade, especially export of commodities like jute, tea, coffee, tobacco, etc., depends a great deal on the supplies of agricultural sector. As India is not much developed and in industrialization, so it cannot export much industrial products, but a significant portion of export revenue is obtained from exporting agricultural products. India mainly imports capital goods and exports agricultural products. Total agricultural exports in 0102 was 28,500 crores. Share of agriculture and their allied products in total export was about 70%. India's most exportable agricultural product is tea. Living standard. Agriculture production influences the living standard of the country as income of majority people depends upon agriculture. Domestic trade and commerce. On account of agricultural predominance, considerable part of trade and commerce depends on agriculture because many industries depend on agricultural products as input. Low capital ratio. Agriculture has a low capital output ratio. It requires lesser capital per unit of output produced compared to industries. Therefore, a capital poor economy like India has to focus on development of agriculture. Population migration. Due to rising unemployment, rural population tends to migrate to urban areas. Agriculture tends to reduce such migration. If agriculture can create required employment opportunities to the youths, then rural people may not flock to the urban for jobs and then pressure on urban areas would be reduced. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.